at you. Oh, God almighty.
Roach in the friggin' food.
What are you
Oh.
The funniest prank I've watched all year. Fake roach in Chinese food.
Rice. So what I'm going to do now, big up crew, is put the roach them inside. See, it's a big up crew, I just going to hide them inside of the rice, you know. Why? She go flip. Imagine I eat and you discover, say, boy, roach in your food. When you already swallow a piece of it. But I know say she go flip. God knows she go flip. Make sure hide them, you know, that she not see them. Right? Nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. Forget to put in her fortune cookie. She love her fortune cookie, you know. Make sure put that in. That is spoon. With all kind of disease and it kill out your birds them, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just glad, you know, never even, you know, recommend that. But hopefully it have a number where it can, you know, call them and say, food look yummy baby, that shouldn't be big and nice. Oh man. Yeah.
May try to eat it fast because I know you want to go home probably.
No, take your time, baby. No rush. She only the other one for my dinner, you know.
Yeah, what you eat for lunch?
I
think you gotta order something for yourself.
No, me eat lunch from early, you know. Me eat my regular, you know. Yeah, but the fried rice will look nice.
Want some?
Yeah? No, man, me alright. I kiss her food.
We just said what happened with the bird.
Yeah, you know, instead of says a big bird, black and white and stuff, but me never get too much into it because you alright, baby? You some water, you alright? Eh?
I'm sure to take up a lemonade for me. Like, come on, I go down my throat.
Alright. Oh man.
Damn. Ow, what the hell is that?
I don't know, baby. Drink some water, baby. Man.
Aren't you too fast?
Yeah, man. You're too hungry, man. Yeah, you're too hungry, baby.
Oh, God, man, you're too fast, man.
Yeah, baby. You're too hungry.
What you saying with the
Too hungry. No, me don't want the bird. No. Me don't want the bird. Make him stay with it.
What is name there? Put them in juicing? I buy beets, celery, peel.
Right.
I have to make sure it's
Oh, shit. What the hell wrong? Oh, man, look at you. Oh, God almighty.
Roach in
Yes, man, you f***er. You get what you look for. You big eye glad. Radam!
the friggin' food.
What are you
She's pulling the back window, roaching on the food, boo. Oh my God.
Oh, man, look.
What the hell? Which buy you buy the food, boo? Which buy you buy the food? What? That's why I don't like eat Chinese food, you know. I got me probably swallow down my throat, you know. Remember, I swallow this and I ask me, what am I swallow, boo?
Baby, look. Baby.
Wow! Which buy you buy the food?
Baby, looking at the car. Look how you nasty up the car. Eh?
I'm telling you, I feel like someone go down my throat.
Where go down your throat?
Which way you buy the food, boo?
The China,
Fire by the food,
yes.
Give me them number, make me call them. Give me them number. So the roach there in the friggin' food.
Oh boy.
I mean, they eat some, feel some go down my throat, you know. I tell you some feel like some go down in my throat.
No, call them.
No, we are gonna sue them. We African sue because me eat one.
No, we can't go there. We're not to call them. I said,
No, boo. Give me your phone.
Man, look at Jesus. Man, watch out. The whole of me.
See the roach there in the food you talk about. Watch you see the roach there in the food.
But the whole of me full of fried rice to
I can't believe I come to America come eat friggin' roach. A nasty place that. Damn. So my mind tell me something off for the food because when I eat it, I feel something like it I got down in my throat. I mean, say, the chicken or the shrimp not supposed to feel like that.
But I'm so sorry, baby.
No.
Baby.
Oh.
Baby. Drink some water, baby. Oh man. Boy, listen me. The whole of me full of fried rice to rot. Yo, me care for the hospital?
Yes, carry me up at the hospital, boo.
You forgot to get an X-ray.
Carry me up at the hospital.
You might forget X-ray your chest.
Carry me up at the hospital.
Hold on, baby.
Carry me up at the hospital.
Hold on,
Look, see if I can save this because the roach is dying.
But me go come, but look, me can't slung on the seat. Look here.
Carry me up at the hospital.
Me carry you up
Carry me
there.
up at the hospital. I'm calling.
Roach in the... You know, for...
Me I call him right
now.
now.
I'm going to carry you up there. Take the roach as evidence, baby.
Stop that. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, boo?
Baby, I prank, baby. Baby, I want prank, sweetheart. A prank. See that? A prank. What? A plastic.
What's wrong with you, boo? You know me not like them something
Baby,
there.
a plastic, baby. Babies, a plastic on it. Calm down, baby.